When you pick your tomatoes, if you want to keep them longer, you have to find a way of reducing the temperature. This is a problem throughout the world. As availability of electricity at village level can be a problem, ways have to be found to lower the temperature of this fragile crop. Tomatoes start to lose value for many reasons, and the price at the market can move up and down very quickly. So how can we reduce the temperature when faced with the heat of the sun? Choosing the correct site is important, if possible under shade. Measure the site correctly. Dig foundations at least 1 block deep. Build up the walls of the chambers. Fill the gap between the walls with river sand and make sure this is kept moist. Build some steps on the outside and inside of the chamber to make it easier to put the tomatoes in. Level the inside floor with river sand. Finally, make sure you have a good thick thatched roof, and if the chamber is not shaded by a tree, build a construction for extra thatching so the chamber is well shaded. If you do a good job, you'll have an asset that the village can use to cool their tomatoes and increase their incomes.